I wanted to feature ay, dumikit siya sa lipstick. Hi guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my September favorites video. I can't even believe it's already end of September right now. I know you're watching this on October 1st, but I'm filming this end of September and I can't believe. Anyway, I have some skincare, makeup, and some random stuff that I'm gonna show you guys. But before all those, I want to share with you my favorite app, and it is Best Fiends. They're actually kindly sponsoring this video, so thank you so much. If you didn't know yet, Best Fiends is a puzzle adventure game where you collect and upgrade characters by defeating slugs. And if you guys watch me, you would know that I hate those like crawly creatures. I hate them. So playing the game and like defeating the slugs, I was like, yes, I killed the slug. Best Fiends is 100% free, and it's actually Best Fiends' birthday. And for their birthday, there will be amazing challenges and rewards, including the very first character skin, Hughes' birthday suit, because it's Best Fiends' birthday, so birthday suit. I am at level 30 right now. It is very entertaining, and I warn you, it's very addicting. Like, it's extremely addicting. That's the slug right there, and here's all the characters. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And yeah, you will just defeat the slug by doing that, and then it will... Perfect! The link will be in the description box. It's free, so feel free to download it. And that's that. Now on to my beauty, fashion, random favorites. I'm gonna start with skincare. The first one is the Badescu Aloe Vera Toner. I've been using this for quite a while now. 2 months, I think. And ganyan pa kadami yun. May buhok? Kalo? Buhok ba yan? Parang nasa lens yung buhok. When I started using this toner, you guys have been noticing na parang may nag-iba sa skin ko, na parang nag-clear out churba yung skin ko. And I did notice that as well, actually. And yung bago lang na na-add sa skincare routine ko is ito. At saka yung isa na ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya. So, I feel like ito talaga nakatulong siya ng bongga. If you guys have been watching my videos, pagdating ko dito sa Australia, nagka-pimples ako ng bongga, especially sa nose area ko. And then, nag-scar siya. Kasi nga, pimple. So, nag-scar siya. And then, sobrang nahirapan ako na mawala yung scars na yun. Now, it's slowly disappearing. I'm pretty sure this has something to do with that. I can't say na ito lang talaga yung dahilan, but if you guys haven't watched my skincare routine yet, I will leave the link below kasi like aside from this, gumagamit din ako ng serum and you know, so I will leave the link below para makita nyo kung ano yung ginagamit ko. And dun sa skincare routine video na yun, hindi ko to napakita kasi I wasn't using this nung na-film ko siya, but after ko siya na-film, like I've been using this all the time na. Like every after cleansing my face with my cleanser, ito na yung gamit ko, toner. And then another skincare product that I have been loving is the Rub-In Gelato Mask Pistachio. Ito na yung mask na ginagamit ko lagi. Ganito yung itsura niya sa loob. Hindi ko to ginagamit araw-araw. Ginagamit ko lang to 2 to 3 times a week. So, after ko linisin yung mukha ko, nilalagay ko siya sa mukha ko and then I let it sit on my face for 20-30 minutes. And then after that, i-wash off ko siya. Yun lang yung hindi ko masyadong bet sa kanya kasi kailangan ko siyang i-wash off. Minsan nakakatamad. Pero ang ganda ng feeling sa mukha after ko siya gamitin. Nung una ko siyang ginamit, sobrang hapdi niya sa mukha. As in, sobrang hapdi na parang sabi ko, wow, masusunog ba yung mukha ko? Sobrang hapdi niya. Pero siguro after 2 beses ko siyang nagamit, okay na siya sa mukha. And then, pagka-wash off ko ng mask, sobrang ganda ng feeling. I really like this. And with this mask, you do not need a lot at all. I got mine from bbag or beautique.com. So if you're looking for a rub-in mask, I highly recommend the Gelato one because it's really good. And then I have a foundation favorite. This is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I got mine from Sephora PH. This is in the shade Sand. I already did a review on this. I will leave the link below. I love this, you guys. I know marami sa inyo nagsabi na hindi siya maganda sa humidity sa Pilipinas. I will bring this with me and itatry ko siya sa Philippines and see kung anong magiging resulta niya sa mukha ko. I am very oily nung nasa Pilipinas ako. Hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari sa mukha ko pagdating ko, pagbalik ko, pero itatry ko siya. Dadalhin ko siya, itatry ko siya, and I will definitely let you know. Pero right now, na nandito ako, sobrang nagugustuhan ko siya. Very lightweight sa mukha, parang wala ka lang foundation, and sobrang ganda ng coverage niya. Magbibuild i-build up mo siya to full coverage. Personally, hindi ko siya ginagawa. I stay sa medium coverage kasi mas prefer ko yung medium coverage sa akin. Yung shade niya, perfect na perfect sa akin. I know I said in my review na parang medyo dark siya tingnan. But for some reason, after na nagamit ko na siya na maraming beses, parang nasanay na ako sa kanya and para sa akin, perfect match niya siya sa akin. So I love this foundation. I will leave the link below if you guys are interested. Okay, so lip products. So the first one is the Sephora Nano Lipliner. This one is in the shade Deep Aubergine. It's really tiny. Look at that. Kasi nano lip liner. So maliit nano. Ganito yung shade niya. As in sobrang pigmented. Like, see? Sobrang konti lang. See? Walang ka-effort. Ganyan yung pigmentation niya. Gustong-gusto ko yung pigmentation niya. The way na nag-glide siya sa lips ko, bonggang-bongga din. Hindi niya nadadrag yung lips ko. Okay na okay siya pag-apply. Hindi din siya drying at all. And you guys know me, I love my lip liners. Ang ganda din ng mga reviews nito sa Sephora.ph. That's why I decided to get it. Hindi ko nga lang alam kung hanggang kailan sa akin to kasi ang liit-liit. Pero ang ganda ng formula, ang ganda niya sa lips, hindi siya mahirap i-apply at all. Okay, next is another lip product. Na-mention ko na to sa vlog ko, but this one, I really like it. It is the Zoeva Lip Crayon in the shade Tender Rose. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Perfect for everyday. If you're into pinks, you will love this. It's a really nice sheer, like, nudie pink shade. To be honest with you guys, yung shade niya, hindi ako like 100% in love sa shade niya. Pero it's very long lasting. Like, after isang kainan, nandun pa rin siya. It also leaves a tint sa lips ko. And I was surprised. Kasi yung shade niya, hindi naman siya like bright. Hindi din siya dark. So, I wasn't expecting na magtitint siya sa lips ko. Why do I look red right now? Pero yeah, nung ginamit ko siya, kumain ako, and then after ko kumain, nandun pa rin yung tint niya. I was like, wow, I like this lip crayon. Yung hindi ko lang masyadong bet sa kanya is I'm pretty sure I need to sharpen it. And wala akong sharpener na ganito kataba, kaloka. Hindi kasi siya retractable. And like, you know, Zoeva, hindi siya ganun kamura. Sana naman ginawa nilang retractable. Pero gustong-gusto ko yung formula and longevity. Bongga. Next is another lip product, and it is the Balm Meet Matte Hughes Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Charming. That was really awkward. Ang daming vlogs ko na na-mention ko to kasi I always wear it. I actually have it on my lips right now. This is legit long lasting, you guys. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Kakaswatch ko lang yan. Pero matte siya kapag nag-set na siya. Like, as you guys can see here, it's matte. And gustong-gusto ko din yung amoy niya. Again, nasabi ko na din to kasi I featured this in my Ride or Die makeup tag. I've been using this for what? Almost 3 weeks now. And na-feature ko na siya sa Ride or Die ko. So, that's saying something. Like, gustong-gusto ko talaga to. Sa lahat ng liquid lipstick na nagamit ko, ito yung pinaka-the best. So, if you're looking for the best liquid lipstick, I highly recommend you try the Meet Matte Hughes Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. That is a mouthful. Like, that is a really, really long name. Kung hindi nyo gusto yung mga minty na amoy, hindi nyo siya magugustuhan. I personally love minty na amoy, especially sa mga lipstick. Kasi gusto ko lang siya. So, moving on, sa jewelries naman tayo. I have been wearing this bracelet non-stop. Simula nung nagkasakit sa Dan, hindi ko na to hinubad. I mean, hinubad ko siya minsan, nakakalimutan ko siya minsan. But as much as possible, sinusuot ko siya lagi. Kasi it's a Rosary Bracelet. Meron siyang cross dyan. And this one is actually blessed. Pinabless pa to ng seller na nagbigay sa akin ng bracelet na to. This is from radaf.ph. Yung seller nito, sobrang bait. Thank you so much, Erica. As in, pinabless pa niya talaga to. And she gave one to my sister as well. Tapos pinabless din niya. So, thank you so much. I love this bracelet. You guys, I wear this all the time. Hindi ko siya, hinuhubad ko lang siya kapag naliligo ako. Pero kapag naghuhugas ako ng pinggan, naglilinis ako, I wear this. And hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin siya nag-fade. I've had this for a long time now. Like, sinend niya sa akin to more than 6 months ago. Kasi 6 months na ako dito. Pa 6 months na ako. No, 5 months. 5 months and 1 week. I'm not sure. Pero, ang tagal na nito sa akin. And hanggang ngayon, okay na okay pa rin yung quality niya. I will leave the link below. Erica, again, thank you so much. And every time nasuot ko to, I don't know, I just feel really good. And I just feel like someone's with me. Char, someone's with me. Pero, you know what I mean? Yeah. And then this bracelet as well that I have been wearing non-stop. This marble-looking bracelet from Roslyn. Roslyn gave it to me when we met sa Adelaide show. So, thank you so much, Roslyn. This is from It's actually right here. ganito yung ano niya. Basa pa talaga yung ano. Pero yan yung brand niya. Meron pa, 3 yung binigay niya sa akin. Pero ito na muna yung susuotin ko. And then, yeah, meron siyang YouTube channel. I will leave the link below if you guys are interested. And that's basically it for my favorites of this month. Hindi siya ganun karami, but I'm pretty sure this video is long because I talk way too much as usual. Pero yeah, yun yung mga favorites ko. You guys, malapit na ako umuwi. Uuwi na ako. In my October favorites video, sa kwarto ko na sa Pilipinas yung setup ko. So, I will miss the setup. Mamimiss niyo ba itong setup na to? Because I will miss the setup. But whatever. That's basically it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Bye! The meat mat used from the Balm. The Balm. By the meat mat.